How to apply a water slide to an epoxy tumbler. For the best results, you'll want a light colored base for your clear water slide. White will give the truest color to your decal. Your cup should be epoxied smooth. Any sanding will show and give your decal a dull appearance. Place your prepared cup on a steady surface, such as a soft towel or your cup turner. Trim loosely around your decal with scissors. Include a small border of clear water slide around your design. A smooth, rounded edge will be easier to work with and will not be visible after epoxy. Submerge the decal in lukewarm water for 30 to 60 seconds. Water that is too hot or too cold could damage your decal. Wet the surface of your tumbler where the decal will be placed. The decal is ready to apply when it begins to slide from the backing easily. Position the decal face up over your tumbler and begin to slide off the backing. Gently slide the decal into the position you want. The decal will slide easily as long as the surface is wet. Using a wet paper towel or a silicone squeegee, gently work out wrinkles and bubbles from your decal. Be sure to keep the decal wet and be gentle as you work to avoid tearing the decal. This part of the process is much easier on a straight-sided cup like the one I'm using. It can be done on a curved tumbler, but it will take a bit more work to get out all the wrinkles. When you're happy with the placement and all wrinkles and bubbles have been removed, you can gently blot away excess water with a paper towel. Allow your decal to fully dry for at least 3 hours before sealing with a layer of epoxy to protect your design.